Ever wonder why your joints ache after a long day or why your bones feel weak as you age? It's not just because of the passing years. Sometimes it's a sign of deeper health issues. Conditions like osteoporosis, where your bones become brittle and fragile, or arthritis, where your joints become inflamed, can disrupt your daily routine and impact your overall health. Even injuries can lead to long-term joint and bone health issues. It's a reality many of us face, but often we don't give it the attention it deserves until it starts affecting our quality of life. But imagine if there were ways to naturally combat these issues. Not with synthetic supplements or invasive procedures, but with natural, wholesome remedies. Remedies that not only alleviate symptoms but also work towards strengthening your bones and joints. What if there was a natural way to strengthen your bones and soothe your joints? Intriguing, right? Bone broth isn't just your grandmother's soup. It might be the key to improved joint and bone health. Across the globe, from the steamy kitchens of Asia to the cozy hearths of Europe, bone broth has been a culinary staple for centuries. It's a simple yet powerful concoction typically made from bones, water, vinegar, and an assortment of vegetables. The bones used can range from chicken to beef, fish, or even lamb. The choice of bones often depends on availability, personal preference, and the specific nutrients one is aiming to extract. The process of making bone broth, while time-consuming, is relatively straightforward. The bones are often roasted first to enhance the flavor. After roasting, they are simmered in water along with vinegar and vegetables. The vinegar, usually apple cider vinegar, plays a crucial role in this process. It helps to break down the bones and release the valuable nutrients within them. The simmering process is a slow and patient one, often lasting anywhere between 12 to 48 hours. This long, slow cooking allows for the maximum extraction of nutrients. The result? A rich, flavorful broth brimming with beneficial compounds. So, what makes this broth so magical? Well, the bones themselves are treasure troves of nutrients. They are rich in minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for bone health. They also contain collagen, a protein that provides structure to our skin, hair, nails, and importantly, our joints. When cooked, the collagen in the bones breaks down into gelatin, a substance known for its gut-healing properties. But the magic doesn't stop there. Bone broth is also a source of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. It's particularly rich in glycine and proline, two amino acids that play key roles in maintaining healthy connective tissues, a critical aspect of joint health. So, it seems that bone broth isn't just a warm, comforting beverage. It's a nutrient-dense powerhouse that can contribute to better bone and joint health. This humble broth is packed with nutrients, but how does it benefit your bones and joints? Imagine drinking a cup of bone broth and feeling your bones become stronger. This isn't just a whimsical thought, but a reality backed by science. Bone broth is a treasure trove of nutrients, many of which play a crucial role in maintaining and enhancing bone health. Let's delve into this nutrient-rich elixir. At the forefront are calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These three amigos are the building blocks of our bones. Calcium, as we all know, is fundamental for bone health. It is used by the body to build and maintain strong bones. But did you know that it doesn't work alone? Magnesium and phosphorus are the unsung heroes, working in the background. They assist calcium, aiding in its absorption and utilization to ensure our bones are not just strong, but resilient. But the goodness of bone broth doesn't stop there. It's also packed with collagen, a protein that's been the talk of the town lately. And it's not just hype. Collagen is the main component of our connective tissues, including our bones. It provides them with structure and strength. In fact, studies have shown that collagen can help prevent bone loss. By including bone broth in your diet, you're essentially providing your body with the raw materials it needs to build and maintain healthy bones. Then there's the gelatin in bone broth, a product of broken down collagen. Gelatin also plays a role in bone health. It's been found to help increase bone mineral density, which is crucial in preventing conditions like osteoporosis. So, the next time you sip on a cup of bone broth, remember that you're not just indulging in a warm, comforting drink. You're also nourishing your bones with vital nutrients. You're taking a proactive step towards maintaining your bone health and preventing bone-related issues. Bone broth could be your secret weapon against osteoporosis and other bone-related issues. And that's not just a catchy phrase, it's a bone-deep truth. So here's to strong bones and a healthy body, one cup of bone broth at a time. What if easing joint pain was as simple as sipping on some bone broth? Well, the good news is, it can be. bone broth is brimming with nutrients that are beneficial for joint health. Let's delve into the specifics. Firstly, bone broth is a rich source of glucosamine and chondroitin. These compounds are naturally found in the cartilage within joints. Supplementing with glucosamine and chondroitin has been shown to alleviate joint pain, reduce inflammation, and even slow the progression of osteoarthritis, a common degenerative joint disease. But wait, there's more. Bone broth also contains hyaluronic acid. This is a key component of the synovial fluid that lubricates our joints, allowing them to move smoothly and without friction. Consuming hyaluronic acid through bone broth could help maintain the health and function of your joints, particularly as you age and your natural production of this crucial compound declines. Now, we can't talk about bone broth without mentioning collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, and it's integral to the health of our connective tissues, including the tendons and ligaments that hold our joints together. When you consume bone broth, the collagen it contains is broken down into amino acids. These amino acids are then used by your body to build new collagen, which can strengthen your connective tissues and potentially improve joint health. In addition to these nutrients, bone broth is also packed with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for maintaining healthy, strong joints. So, you see, bone broth is more than just a trendy health food. It's a nutritional powerhouse that has the potential to support your joint health in a multitude of ways. Whether you're an athlete looking to protect your joints from wear and tear, or you're simply seeking to alleviate the aches and pains that come with aging, bone broth could be a valuable addition to your diet. Bone broth might be the natural remedy for arthritis and joint injuries you've been looking for. So why not give it a try? You might just find that it's exactly what your joints have been craving. Bone broth isn't just a tasty soup, it's a powerhouse of nutrients for your bones and joints. This hearty, savory concoction is a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be discovered. Let's take a moment to recap the wonders of bone broth. For starters, bone broth is an elixir for bone health. It's packed with essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are vital for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These nutrients help your body replenish and repair bone tissue, contributing to overall bone strength and density. Bone broth is also rich in collagen, a protein that provides the structural framework for your bones. So in essence, consuming bone broth is like giving your bones a much-needed nutrient boost. But that's not all. Bone broth is also a boon for joint health. The gelatin in bone broth helps maintain the integrity of your cartilage, the tissue that cushions your joints. As we age, our cartilage naturally wears down, leading to joint pain and stiffness. Bone broth, with its gelatin content, can help slow down this wear and tear, keeping your joints supple and flexible. Moreover, bone broth is incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. You can sip it as a warm beverage, use it as a base for soups and stews, or even use it to cook grains for an added nutrient punch. It's a simple, versatile, and delicious way to support your joint and bone health. And let's not forget the potential of bone broth as a natural remedy for common joint and bone health issues. It's a wholesome, natural, and nourishing alternative to synthetic supplements and medications. While it's not a cure-all, bone broth can certainly complement your existing health regimen, helping you manage symptoms and maintain overall well-being. Next time your joints ache or your bones feel weak, remember the magic of bone broth. Your body might thank you for it. With its rich nutrient profile and easy adaptability, bone broth is a worthy addition to any diet. So why not give it a try? Your bones and joints will surely appreciate the gesture.